Nuer Tube or Shati Nuer. I have another lesson for you that I would like you to follow up. In this lesson, we are going to learn some of the English basic phrases that we are going to translate into thok, nath, or Nuer language. You can subscribe to this channel or follow me on my Facebook page for more video. Okay, we can start. I eat food. I eat food. And chamit kakwen. I eat food. And chamit kakwen. I eat food. And chamit kakwen. I go to market. I go to market. And wa namadile la wa ka market wa gwat koka. I go to market. Ki han chow gwat koka. Go me raja ken tama misha aja gedara kula min shal ke wen. Do know a go right on ka present moment. I go to market. And chow gwat koka. And wa gwat koka. And me did use them de gwa did use gwasame. And chow gwat koka ki and wa gwat koka. Dundo mi guri je lari and wa gwat koka de I am going to market. Baname I go to market and show gwat koka. So you can pick any gwat me no gonna. I work every day. I work every day. And lana leni chiang. I work every day. And lana leni chiang. I work every day. De lar you can say it. I work every day. So de lar no more. Another thing here. De win and yok. I went to the store. I went to the store. I went to the store yesterday. And chow gwat kwak no pan. And chow gwat kwak no pan. I went to the store. I went to the store yesterday. I went to the store yesterday and chow gwat kwak no pan. I will call you and baji yodika. I will call you and baji yodika. I will call you and baji yodika. I want a cup of tea and go to buy shaya. Name da shai shaka I want a cup of tea and go to buy shaya and name go buy shaya and name she kula lar gwazamenu go I want a cup of coffee. Ajande kulu and go buy coffee ka. Do not name and go buy shaya. You can say that shaya. No. And go buy shaya. She's my friend. Amada. Jana mada. She raja kakwi shaki kakwinya. She's my friend. Amada. Jana mada. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Gwa torbiele janika. Ki gwa da la chung torbiele janika. And dog de larka ja guaya. Where is the bus stop? Gwa da la torbiele chungten janika. Gwa torbiele janika. Where is the bus stopped? Do you like tea? Jin nogashai. Do you like tea? Jin nogashai. Amiti jaran de teach. There make a question mark ala teach. Bill taker. Do you like tea? Jin nogashai. Is she here? Is she here? Jen jan guam. A question mark one minute. Jen ja guam. She raja ke shek ke kanyal. Is she here? Jen ja guam. Big midid. Small method. Big midid. Small method. Hot millet. Cold mukoch Makoikoch. Good, Migwa, Mudungwa. Bad, Bad Guada me Mijak. Mijak. Bad, Mijak. Mijak. The big dog. Jogmedit. The hot coffee. Bun Mililit. I read book. And Chakwin Kabuk. So in such a way you can keep on practicing. Okay, let's read it one more time. I eat food. And Chamit Kakwan. I go to market. And Chaw Guat Koka. I work every day. And La Ladanishang. I went to the store yesterday. And Chaw Guat Kwang Napan. A store Guat Randa Kwak Tanchirika supermarket, bro. I will call you. And Baji Yodika. I want a cup of tea. And go to Gubai Shaya. She's my friend. Mazda. Where is the bus stop? Gwa Torbiele Jane ka ke gwa la Torbiele Chungtan Jane. Do you like tea? Jin Nogashai. Is she here? Jen Jan Guama. Big, Medit. Small, Metot. Hot, Melisles. Cold, Mokoikoch. Good, Migwa. Bad, Mijak. The big dog, Jungmedit. The hot coffee, Bun Melilit. I read book. And Chakwin Kabuk. So please, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my channel or follow me on my Facebook page for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.